How to enable chat in Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to enable chat in Ludo King. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Ludo King app on your mobile device. Log in using your preferred method, for example Facebook, Google or as a guest if required. From the main menu, tap on Play Online or select any game mode where chat is available. Start a game with other players. During the game, tap on the chat icon usually located at the bottom or side of the screen, often represented by a speech bubble or text box. Tap on the chat box to open it, and you should see option to type your message or use predefined message and emojis. Chat option might be limited based on the game mode and the setting in the game. If you don't see the chat option, it may be disabled in the game setting or restricted in certain game modes. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.